Welcome to the Studs Ninja Elite Helmet part replacement video. In this step-by-step video, you will learn how to replace the parts in your helmet. Let's begin. Visor mechanism replacement. To remove the visor of your Studs Ninja Elite helmet, open the visor fully first. Then, push the visor mechanism button and gently pull the visor out. The visor will detach from its casing, as shown in the video. Repeat the process on the other side and pull the visor outward. Now, to remove the visor mechanism, use a screwdriver covered with a soft cloth to take out the visor mechanism button. Open the screw and your whole mechanism will come out. Keep all the parts safe. You will need them to reassemble the visor later. To install, place the visor mechanism back in place, screw it. And put the visor on the visor mechanism button and push it gently. Operate your visor to see if it is working properly. Chin guard replacement. For chin guard replacement, push the visor mechanism button and pull the visor out. Then, with the use of screwdriver wrapped with a soft cloth, take out the visor mechanism button. Now, take out entire mechanism carefully from its slot after unscrewing it using the screwdriver. Now push the button as shown in the video and then chin guard will come out. To install, put the chin guard back in the slot and then place the visor mechanism back in place in the notch provided as shown here. Align the visor on top of the visor mechanism and gently push it in place. Cheek pad replacement. Your helmet comes with removable cheek pads. To remove the cheek pad, gently pull the cheek pad from the front and you will hear a click sound of the two buttons opening. Then, pull out the inner side of the cheek pad such that the plastic sheets come out of the helmet. To install the cheek pad, push the plastic sheet inside first and then snap the cheek pads back in place. Chin pad cover replacement. To replace the chin pad cover, push the button as shown in the video and pull the chin guard up. Chin pad would be as shown in the video. Now, gently open the 4 screws. Chin pad will come out. Flip the chin pad and you will see the wire assembly. Gently push both the button inwards and wire assembly will come out. Take a replacement of chin pad cover and to fit the wire, assemble in the new chin pad cover. Repeat the process and this time, wire assembly buttons to be gently pushed outward to fit the same. Now place it in the chin guard at the slot. Screw it. And now, check if your chin guard is working properly. Center and rear strip replacement. Your Studs Ninja Elite helmet comes with attractive center strip and rear strip. To replace the center strip, pull it out from the back as shown in the video. To install the center strip back again, Gently push it inside the slot from the front, then push down the rest of the center strip and it will adjust in its slot perfectly. In the same way, pull out the rear strip and to install in back, gently push it inside the given slots.